What is up, everyone? It's your boy Mike back here again, just doing another quick tutorial. I'll give you a quick tutorial of this little Honda Civic over here that we have. We just want to replace the wipers. I've got brand new wipers here, so what we're going to do is a nice quick install for you guys to show you guys how it works. So my ones here, if you have a look, they are very mangled and they are absolutely useless. So what we need to do is to remove these. You can see here it's even rusted and just really bad condition. You just need to remove this here. So by doing it, you need to get these two clips. You just need to unhinge them. So unhinge both sides, and then what you want to do is after you've done that, you want to just push it down, as you guys can see there. So once you've unclipped this, I'll clip it back in just so you guys can see. So these two bits here, you just need to unclip both sides, and all you need to do is pull it down. And what that will do is that will remove the old one, and then all you need to do is put in your new one. Okay, just bear with me, I'm doing this with one hand, so multitasking at its finest. So there you go, pretty much the same sort of size. I'll just take this one out. So this one has a very different sort of design. So each one that you buy will be very different. As you can see here, this one says open. So all you need to do is unclip that. Okay, so once that's unclipped, you need to do the same sort of reverse process to get them in. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it goes in the same sort of way. So if we put these two side to side, same sort of concept. So this one had to be hooked on, so it hooked on like that. This one should be the same. By unhooking that, that will basically just keep it in place. And all you need to do is to try and put this bad boy in, if we can. Give me a second, guys. Or maybe it's this way. No. Okay. No, okay. No. Let's just see if this goes in first. See, that's definitely not right. So I'm thinking that this is for the other side, because this little black bit in the middle is actually blocking it. So I don't know if that's right. So the other one would go in like that. Let's give it another crack. And let's see if this bad boy fits. So I'm trying to try this again. Looks like the rain's starting to pour down too, so great timing as always. Well, it looks okay for it to go in, but definitely doesn't at the same time. No, it doesn't look right. And it definitely doesn't go this way. So, is this supposed to go out a little bit more? So the concept of this make literally like it makes sense. So that's supposed to clip in. So this bit here is supposed to go in. The hook looks like that, and that's supposed to hook into that little bit in there like that, and then all we're gonna do is lock it in there. But if I do it this way, it's definitely not gonna go through, which is real strange. So I'm gonna try the other one to see if it works. Alright, let's have a look at this longer piece. See if this one has any difference compared to the other one. So if you have a look at that, they do come in different sort of ways to put them in. So I'm just gonna quickly have a look at this one. So this one's 26 inches, the other one was 22. So one side's always longer than the other side for the wipe process. Let's just have a quick look now at this one. Let's just see how this one sits. So they're both sitting sort of the same way. So I'm definitely not doing something right. So nice and easy, just read the instructions. We're gonna do this together. See what she says. So you've got to unclip them as well. What the heck? So you're supposed to take this whole thing off. This doesn't make any sense. Okay, I'm gonna give this another try. Oh, it just doesn't feel right. Definitely doesn't feel right. Okay, let me figure this out, guys, and then I'll flip back to you. So guys, little update. Oh, it looks like I got this one in, which worked well. So this other bit is hanging on the back side. So now that that's in, that clips together. So this one works fine. So that was the shorter one. Because initially these two are virtually about the same size. So that fit that way. So the head of that thing was on this side. But with this one, I'm having that same issue with putting it in because it doesn't fit. So what? Because now this one is on this side. So this big black piece is on the outside instead of the inside of this. Whereas this one fit fine with that on the inside. So all I'm going to do now is basically I can take this little bit out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it the other way. So I'm just going to flip that way, put it in and give it a go. So all I'm going to do is basically instead of putting it in like this, I'm going to flip it the other way. So the weird thing about Hondas is that they wipe inwards like this. So they don't wipe both that way. So one goes in, and they both go out the same way. So now I'm just going to put that together like this and give this another try with this going in backwards. So just to see if this is going to fit this time. Do this and see if she wants to go in. Simple. But, I'm just gonna give this a try and just keep going. But she keeps getting itself in the way, so I honestly don't know how this is gonna work, this one. Oh, there you go. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I finally got her through. So I'll just take it out again. And just to show you guys, pushing it through here. A bit of wiggling, it's definitely needed. Sliding it into that little slot just here so they both align up. And bang. That goes in, make sure to lock it so it stays in place. And it definitely needs to clip in. Cool. And then that should be it. I'll give it a nice little test drive and swipe and I'll let you guys show you how it works.